Hello everyone and welcome to Education with Eleanor. Today we are going to use a Geiger counter to measure the background radiation. This is for Year 11 Physics or Unit 1 Physics in Victoria, Australia. And this is actually an experiment from the Jacaranda textbook called Physics 1, Investigation 7.2, called Background Radiation. We're using a Geiger counter to measure the background radiation in a classroom at school. So I wanted to do this just so that you could have a look and see how we'll set up the Geiger counter today. We're going to measure the background radiation at successive time intervals of 1 minute for about 10 minutes and do the average. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is, how do we use the Geiger counter? All right, the first thing we need to do, this is an IEC brand Geiger counter. Turn it on. So you just need to press the on button. You'll see this here, and then you need to press the mode button. And you want to get the mode button until you see the words CENTR for counter and 60T for 60 seconds. So it counts every 60 seconds. Okay, so we're going to cycle it through until we see, okay, CENTR 10 seconds, no, keep going, CENTR, okay, good, we got CENTR 60 seconds and start. Now you can hear a click. That means it's counting the number of particles that are ionizing the gas in the tube. So when I say a tube, inside, there's a tube inside this Geiger counter. Okay, so at the end of 60 seconds, it will tell me the total number of particles that have ionized the gas after 60 seconds. So we'll wait for this to happen. And we'll know it's 60 seconds because it will beep. Now we know it's working because we can hear this clicking. Okay, so for minute 1, we'll have 26 particles have ionized the gas. Now, on our board, on the day, I'll write down our instructions so we remember, but you just click on the mode. We want to get to CENTR counter, 60 seconds or 60T, then you click start. It will then beep at 60 seconds, and then this number, we write 26, not 16. This was a previous answer. We had 16 particles in a previous test that I did. Let me just write the number 2 a bit better over here. So this is 26. Okay, and then you would write the date. So today's date would be the 13th. So I'll write the 13th of May 2019, for example. Okay, and then I want you to do it for every minute for 10 minutes, and then you would get an average. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to compare the results on different days and at different locations in the same classroom, or in other locations around the school. Now, depending on your timetable, so as a teacher, if you've got, say, Monday, Wednesday, Friday that you see your class, you can do this on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. For my class, because I see you once a week for 3.5 hours, what I will do is that I will get groups to do it for 10 minutes at the start of the lesson, and then get the next group to do it half an hour later, and then the next group to do it another half an hour later, and then we'll get each group to do an average, and we'll compare our averages for that 3.5 hour lesson. This will be a very valuable thing to see what happens. Now, in terms of understanding, what does this Geiger counter actually measure? It measures the particles captured at the end that ionize the gas in the tube of this Geiger counter. Now, they are made up of beta, gamma, and some high energy alpha particles, but this particular Geiger counter doesn't tell us the breakdown of which type of particles. So you'd need a more specific kind of tool to do so. All right, thank you very much for watching today. Please do press the like button and subscribe to this channel, and press the little bell button so that you can find out when I upload our next video to watch. Thank you and bye.